Hey, how you doing? It's Gio Gionta here, and in this short video, I basically want to go over, you know, and give you some advice if you want to become a home-based business owner or an entrepreneur online. And I want to let you know exactly if you should do it or if you should not, because you're probably looking at this video wondering if online is right for you, if it's something that you would want to do, if it's something that you could be successful at, and you're wondering if it is possible to actually make money online. And the answer to that is yes, it is very possible to make money online. It is very possible to be an entrepreneur and be in an entrepreneurial space. And with the way the internet is growing now, very, very, very fast, it is easy for somebody to come online and, they have to learn the skill sets. And one of them is video, like I'm making right now. But you have to be willing to be, very, very, very consistent with your video. Video is a great way to get content across to people for free. YouTube is a free method that I would highly suggest if you're starting any type of business online. If you're going to be an entrepreneur, you want to do video. So is what you want to do is you want to come into a program with somebody that you trust, a mentor that you could get value from, somebody that has your best interest at heart, and somebody that could teach you some things. And that's the biggest thing with me when I started. And even now I still get a little bit scared to do video, or not scared, but I have a stutter, so I try to actually speak um, in a way that I don't stutter, so people understand me, so people don't, go off my videos. And I want people to watch my videos all the way through because, I try to give value and I try to do the best to help people that I can. But home-based business and being an entrepreneur, it's really the best type of business that you could get into. There's a lot of garbage out there. You just have to find the right thing, and you have to find the right person who knows what they're doing, somebody that you could trust and not just a fly by night person. You have to have somebody that is a legitimate person, and that person will be able to teach you and guide you in the right direction. But if you're trying to start an online business, it may be for a couple of different reasons. One is definitely to spend more time with your family. One might be to spend more time with a loved one. Another might be because you just need the extra money. You're not making enough money at your job. You want to quit your job. You want to be able to travel. You want to be able to provide a better life for your family. You want to be able to do things in your life. And you feel like online is the best option for you. Now, I'm going to let you know that having an online business, it requires a lot of things. It requires you to be in the right mindset. It requires you to be in abundance and actually, work on yourself every single day. Personal development is very big in this industry. Online marketing or being an entrepreneur. Personal development in your belief system has to change, or it has to get better. It has to grow. You grow. You learn these skills and you get better at these skills, and you become an asset. You become better. You become stronger, and your value increases. And that's the thing that I love about entrepreneurship and being online is that you could actually, come online and you meet other people. If you get into the online marketing space, you meet other people who are trying to also, better themselves and who are working on, bettering themselves and working on, getting to the next level. So it gets to a point that if you get into this industry, if you get into online marketing, you'll have a product or service or something to sell. You'll learn, about yourself. You'll learn how to better yourself, how to better your mindset, how to better your belief system. You'll also learn how to get traffic, and traffic is people. who are interested. There's people searching all the time, so it comes from YouTube, it comes from Facebook, it comes from other people's email lists. It comes from the search engines. There's a bunch of different ways that you can actually get traffic, and this is how you make money online. So you have people that are coming from these platforms. You could have a blog, which is like an online website. That's another way to get traffic. There's just so many ways to get traffic. But the thing about it is, if you're coming on and you want to know actually how to make money online, the goal is not to overwhelm you. The goal is to have you have a strong foundation and have a solid plan in place. And you want to start off small. You don't want to start off big. You want to start off small, and you want to just be very, very consistent. And you want to start off small, but go fast. So you want to go all in, and you want to start off learning bits and pieces at a time. And every time you learn something new, you should be putting out a video. You should be putting out content on YouTube. It's free. And then the goal of any online business is to build an email list. And when you build that email list, it becomes your asset. So, is what you need to do is have a system in place, right? And the system is pretty much like a website that retains email addresses. So it will be like a page that gives somebody a little bit of information about whatever you're doing, and it offers some type of value to the person, and then from there is what it does is it takes them to a sales page whenever they put in their email. It'll take them to a sales page. You'll get a notification, and it'll say congratulations, you just got a lead, and you start building up your email list. You start putting out content, and when you put out content, you want to mail that content to your email list. You want to give them value, and you want to direct those people to your video so they're actually seeing you and they're building a relationship with you and they know about you. They know who you are. They know how you guys started online and they know why you guys started online. They know a little bit about your background and they could know, like, and trust you. And that's very important in this industry. So you want somebody that will know, like, and trust you. That's your goal, is to get people to know, like, and trust you. And if they do, then you are able to have a successful business because you have people that follow you. You pretty much build a brand online. You help people, you coach people, and you help them, to better their lives as well. It's about finding those people that want that change. You don't have to convince somebody who wants change. You don't have to convince somebody who hates their job. You don't have to convince somebody who really wants to, you know, they want to go to the next level. You don't have to convince them, you know, to get into business. Online business is the cheapest method of business that you can possibly get into. So it's cheaper than a franchise. It's cheaper than going out and buying a business. You just want to get online. You want to produce videos, and then you want to pick a traffic method, and then you want to go with that one traffic method and get that one traffic method down before you pick another traffic method, and always be making videos every single day. Make a video and give somebody content of the stuff that you're learning. Put it out on Facebook. Do a Facebook Live. I love Facebook. It's a very, very strong tool because you have everybody right there who has the same interest. You could do a live. People could see who you are. People could see about you. People could actually talk to you if they need help. You put them in a Facebook group. You put them in a group that pops up in your IM, so you could see everybody's thing. Put them in a Facebook group. Then they're able to interact with you, and you're building a brand. So this is very, very important when getting started online. You want to have a marketing system in place that actually allows you to retain those email addresses and follow up with those people that said they had an interest in your business. So you want to be able to follow up with those people. And when you can follow up with those people, then you learn follow up and you learn copy and you learn writing and you learn how to get everything perfected in your business by taking the time to actually learn those skills. So, under this video, I'm gonna leave a link, and if you're interested in getting started online, or you just want to join an online business, you want to learn about marketing, I suggest you click the link below this video, and it's going to take you to a page that's going to give you a little bit of information. You're going to have to put in your email so that I can have communication with you. But then after that, you will be able to actually learn how to build a marketing system online and start getting sales online. So you know, that's what I want to tell you. So if you want more information, feel free to click on that link below. And if you like this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And I'm sorry that was my phone, but I look forward to talking to you shortly. So click that link below, and I'll talk to you soon. Have a great day.